Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to make a quick phone call but couldn't find your phone or simply didn't want to use it? Or perhaps you've wished for a way to keep all your communication channels in one place. Well, that's where RingCentral comes in. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps of activating your RingCentral account and getting started with this powerful communication tool. So what exactly is RingCentral? It's a cloud-based communication platform that combines voice, video, messaging, and collaboration features into a single, easy-to-use interface. Whether you're a small business owner, a remote worker, or simply looking for a more efficient way to communicate, RingCentral has something to offer. Step-by-step activation process. Sign up. The first step is to sign up for a RingCentral account. You can do this by visiting their website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Choose a plan. Once you've signed up, you'll need to choose a plan that suits your needs. RingCentral offers a variety of plans, from basic calling features to advanced options like video conferencing and CRM integration. Verify your account. After selecting a plan, you'll need to verify your account. This usually involves clicking on a link that will be sent to your email address. Set up your phone number. Once your account is verified, you can start setting up your phone number. RingCentral will provide you with a list of available numbers to choose from. Download the app. To access RingCentral on your mobile device, you'll need to download the app. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Log in. Once you've downloaded the app, simply log in using your RingCentral credentials. Additional tips. Customize your settings. RingCentral allows you to customize your settings to suit your preferences. You can set your voicemail greeting, adjust call forwarding settings, and more. Integrate with other apps. RingCentral integrates with a variety of other popular apps, such as Microsoft Outlook and Google Calendar. This can help you streamline your workflow and improve productivity. Explore advanced features. RingCentral offers a variety of advanced features, such as call recording, call analytics, and team messaging. Be sure to explore these features to get the most out of your account. And there you have it. Activating your RingCentral account is a simple process that can have a significant impact on your communication efficiency. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be up and running in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.